tired. But we gotta rest up for the beach. The best beach in Oregon for dogs. You know when you love something so much that you don't want to share it with anybody? That's how I feel about this beach. 7 miles of open beach. Yeah. Now I'm telling you, and if you're coming, hopefully your dog's good off leash. Is there a lot of stuff to do here for humans? Not exactly. But for my dog, it's literally the best. The tide does get a little crazy sometimes. You just can't beat it. You can't beat it. Miles and miles and miles of beaches and birds and beaches and birds. Ah! Here's some footage of when it is not as foggy. Have a fire, bring your dog, eat some lunch. You really can't beat it. Welcome to Rockaway. No distractions today. It's close to a 9-minute mile today. 9 minutes. A little sore from softball. We'll see how it goes. Well, it is what it is. Sore today. It's humid.